Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Hollyland Lark A1 wireless lavalier microphone. I got this because I wanted to try and improve some of the audio quality on my YouTube videos. Today we're just going to do an unboxing. Stay tuned to the end of the video. We'll do a comparison between these microphones as well as my phone that I'm recording on right now. Alright guys, now that we have this unboxed, it's time for a sound test. We'll take a look and see if we can notice a difference between the phone that I'm using right now that I'm talking through and these microphones. So I'm just going to take this is the lightning cable version, so I'm just going to plug that into my phone here. I think it seems like it's connected. I don't know if you guys can tell if there's a difference right now. I'm like right beside my phone, but if I do go away, I'm just walking away from my phone right now. See if you guys can still hear me. I can't hear myself, so let me know down in the comments below how I sound. All right, guys, I just listened back to the video that I recorded while we plugged this in, and it sounded like there was a little bit of audio cut off, but while it was being connected, but then it connected really, seamlessly, and I think it sounds pretty good. I'm holding it right now, so I'm talking through the microphone right now, and I'm assuming that it sounds pretty good because the last two videos that I recorded, it sounded really, really good as well. So yeah, that was the Hollyland Lark A1 wireless lavalier microphone. Let me know if you guys, are looking for a new mic. I think this is a pretty good one. It seems pretty good so far. I'll probably be doing a full review of it a little bit later on. But again, thanks so much for tuning into the channel. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you like what you saw. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more like this. All right, guys, I'll see you later.